And today I'm going to do the 4-strand braid on both sides connected. It looks really pretty, I love it. So let's get started. For me, it's easier. You don't necessarily have to, but to keep yourself organized, to part it down the middle. Clip it out of your way. You can use a hair tie, barrette, whatever you have available. I like these little wet clipper things. I get them at the beauty supply because I'm actually a hairstylist. So I'm sure you can probably find them online on Amazon or Google. Just Google wet dry clips and they'll pop up. Okay. Start at the part line. Do 4 sections. Hairline weaves over, then it goes under this one, and then over the last one, like that. That's your first stitch. The second stitch has just one more step to it. You take from the hairline, grab your outmost piece of the hairline and go over the first one, like that. And then you go under the third one, like that. And then over the last one, like this. Now, what you do from here is you grab hair and add it to the one that went under, like that. Hope you're able to see. And then the piece that you weaved goes over it, like that. So, now we're on to our next stitch. You grab hair from the hairline, add it to your hairline piece, you go over, under, and then over. Might have to reposition your hands. I have to keep the hair nice and taut, and add to the under piece, like that. And what it ends up being is that it's like a French braid on one side, and then as you get closer to the part line, it turns into a Dutch. And it seems to only happen if you're working with even numbers. Like if you're doing a 5, it could be either Dutch or French, but it's not both. Or if you're doing like a 6-strand, it would also be French on one side, Dutch on the other, which is kind of cool. I have a thing for patterns. Well, I think I've showed pretty much. We'll probably time lapse this and we'll come back. See you in a minute. beautiful 4-strand braids into one. I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the little bell so you can get notified when my videos appear. If you have any styles you would like me to try, please let me know. And keep practicing, and you're gonna do great. It's gonna look awesome no matter what you do. See you next time.